Good morning, and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the Australian dollar and the US dollar pair and the recent events stirring the markets. Greg?
The Aussie dollar pair exploded 1.5% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. Meta's stock rose 2.5% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The dollar dropped 0.9% against the yen in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar pair gained 0.7% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
Moving on to world financial news.
The Federal Reserve cut interest rates by 0.25 percentage point, and its policymakers took note of a job market that has generally eased, while inflation continues to move towards the US Central Bank's 2% target. The dollar held onto earlier losses after Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell failed to offer any strong clues that the US Central Bank was likely to pause rate cuts in the near term, after a widely expected 25 basis point reduction. Shares of Nvidia rallied to a record high, making the chip maker the first company in history to surpass a stock market value of $3.6 trillion, as Wall Street extended a rally sparked by Donald Trump's return to the White House.
Thank you for your insightful ideas. And now, let's review today's major economic events.
Japan's Coincident Index will be released at 5 GMT, the US Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index at 15 GMT, the US USDA WASDE report at 17 GMT. The UK CFTC GBP NC net positions will be released at 2030 GMT. Japan's leading economic index at 5 GMT. The French current account at 7:45 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.